guys, welcome back to 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing Fiesta lobster rolls. If any of y'all ever ate Red Lobster years ago, they used to have them. I thought they were the greatest thing in the world. Well, I found a recipe for them and we're going to try to imitate what they was. Stick around. Here we go. Alright guys, welcome back. We're getting ready to do our Fiesta lobster rolls here, but first we got to get some ingredients going. I got a little assistant here, my stepdaughter. Hi. Or daughter, however you're going to put it.
Hello.
She's going to help me out. Alright, so what we have here is we have, let's see, there you go. We have 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped spinach. We have 2 tablespoons of jalapeno, 3 tablespoons of green pepper that was starting to go red. It actually calls for red pepper, but I went with the green pepper instead. I went paying $1.50 for one. Got green onions right here. I was going to bring that up so y'all can see that. That's the ingredients there. We're also going to have some cumin and some chili powder. All the ingredients and everything will be in the description box down below. I'll have a link to the recipe. We got 1/4 cup of black beans right here that's been drained. We're going to have a pinch of cayenne pepper. We're also going to have 1/4 of a cup of crawfish. This is Louisiana crawfish. No, it's not from Louisiana Crawfish Company. I found some at my local store. And then this here is lobster. It calls for 1 lobster tail. This might be too much lobster, but I got some for a little bit cheaper. Don't mind the beef. That's my kid's pizza in the oven. Alright, so we got 2 tablespoons of oil in there. It calls for vegetable oil. I got canola oil. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our fine ingredients. Can you hand me the ingredients there, dear? Thank you. Alright. So now we're going to add our red pepper, our onion, and our green onion. So what we're going to do is here we're going to go ahead and add our red pepper. Okay. We're also going to add our green onion as well. So we're just going to throw that out there real quick. Just like that. Alright. And then we're also going to add our uncooked lobster meat. Let this kind of saute up. We're just going to throw those in there. So, alright, so we're just going to kind of cook this around here for about 10 minutes. And then until the onions are tender. And then we're going to add our crawfish. I'll bring you back when we get ready to add the crawfish. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we're back. We got this cooked down for about 10 minutes. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to add our crawfish in here. Some chopped crawfish, 1/4 cup of some chopped crawfish. Add those in. Give that a nice little stir around there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our jalapenos and our spinach. There we go. Go ahead and add that in for me. My assistant's going to add that in there. My stepdaughter or daughter. Spinach in there.
And then we're going to throw them in the way. Hey, Dad.
Alright, now that we got that in there, we're going to give this a nice little stir around through here. Nice incorporation of everything. Alright, now we're going to add our black beans in there, rinsed and drained. Guys, I meant to tell you too that we also, I forgot 2 ingredients. It calls for corn, 1/4 cup of corn, and it also calls for Monterey Jack cheese. I forgot to mention that, so I apologize. So this is frozen corn, guys, so we're just going to get this frozen corn in there real fast. No, not real fast. That's way too much. Alright, I'm just going to add some corn in here. That's probably good enough right there. Alright. Now that we got that all in there, guys, we're also going to add our seasonings here. Well, we're going to let Ella dump those in for us. And then we're also going to give it a pinch of cayenne pepper here in just a minute. Yeah, go ahead and just dump them in there. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead, we're going to give it a pinch of cayenne, just like that. That's my pinch. I love a little heat behind it. We're going to stir that together, guys, for about 5 minutes or so. And then we're going to remove it from the heat. We're going to add our cheese to it. And when we come back, we're going to get ready to build our tortillas. Alright guys, welcome back. I got our cheese added into our mixture here. I'll let you guys kind of see that. It's all nice and incorporated. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our flour tortilla shell. I got fajita ones, so we're going to use this flour tortilla shells. Alright, we're going to lay that there. And then we're going to spoon about 2 or 3 tablespoons of this stuff. Just like that. Put it off here. I think we're going to be okay with probably 2. I wouldn't go any more than that unless you had larger shells. Okay, so we're just going to kind of give that a nice little pat to the center here, just like that. Alright, hope that you all have seen that. Let me bring you all in just a little closer. I got my, I have my deep fryer set at about 365 on this, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in like that. We're going to come in and fold it like this. And we're going to come in and fold it like that. Okay, as best we can. And now I'm going to take a toothpick and just kind of insert it through there, just to hold everything kind of in play. Okay, just like that. So we can kind of keep our fillings in. Hopefully y'all can see that. I hope I'm not shutting it out. But there you go, kind of like that. It's not perfect, but you know, we're not trying for perfection. We're just trying to make this good. Okay, so we're going to do one more real fast here. All right, we're going to get another spoon of that. Like I said, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to say 2 or 3 tablespoons there. I'm going to go with one more on this one. There we go, just like that. Alright. Kind of just spread it out just a tad there. Alright, so fold it like that. Yeah, I'm going to fold it like this time around, like that this time around. I'm going to bring it up here like that this time. See, I folded it differently this time because I wanted to try it a little differently. So we're going to stick a toothpick right through there. Right through there. Try to hold that down a little bit better. Same way with that. And I'm going to put a few more in here just to keep this down. Just like that. I'm going to stick one more right there to kind of keep it like that. Alright, so we got them in here. We got them folded up to keep the stuffing inside. Wow. So let's get the deep fry now. One thing I want to tell you is this makes multiple ones of these. I'm only doing 2 today. Hi guys, welcome back. We got our Fiesta lobster rolls here. Hope you guys can see that. I'll bring it in close. Looks like some goodness. They don't look exactly like they were at Red Lobster, but hey, like I said, we're not going for perfection. We're just trying to get close, alright? Take a bite of these things and see what we got. That's good. Very good. You can taste the corn, the lobster, a little bit of the crawfish, the spices, the onion. Very good. It says to dip it in ranch as well in the recipe. So I'm going to dip it in ranch here in just a second. Hold that for a second.
Yep.
Anyways, guys, these aren't exactly spot on, but they're pretty close. Let's just review what we did a little bit. We followed the recipe to almost an exact T. Like I said, they wanted 4 hours in the freezer and in deep fry them. I did it because of time constraints. I didn't do that, but definitely do that. Okay, they still turned out good. So now we're going to give us a little dip in some ranch dressing here, some ranch dip that they used to give you at the Red Lobster. Hot. There it was with the ranch. That really made me remember how it tasted. Again, this is almost close. Very good recipe. Give it a try, guys. If you come back to see 1984 Barbecue, hey, welcome back. If you haven't and you're new, think about subscribing to us. Y'all give a big thumbs up if you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue. I'll have the recipe down in the description box along with my social media accounts down there. Y'all check them out. Anyways, guys, this was fun. Hope y'all give this a shot. See you on the next one. Have a good night.